Hello guys. If your Oral-B electric toothbrush is turning on but the brush head is not spinning, it can be very frustrating because the main function of the toothbrush stops working. You may hear a slight sound or feel vibration, but the head does not rotate as it should. This problem is quite common and usually happens due to dirt buildup, loose fitting, or internal connection issues. Since the toothbrush is used daily with water and toothpaste, residue can slowly collect around the moving parts and block proper movement. In some cases, the brush head may not be attached correctly or the internal drive may be restricted. It is important to check the basic parts carefully before assuming a major fault. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Oral-B electric toothbrush that is not spinning. Try these. 1. Turn off the Oral-B electric toothbrush and remove the brush head. 2. Clean the shaft of the Oral-B electric toothbrush to remove buildup. 3. Reattach the brush head properly to the Oral-B electric toothbrush. 4. Check if the Oral-B electric toothbrush head moves freely without blockage. 5. Charge the Oral-B electric toothbrush to ensure it has enough power. 6. Turn on the Oral-B electric toothbrush and confirm the head spins normally.